Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy and paste on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Copying and pasting elements on your Wix website is simple and can help you replicate content or design across different pages. So here's how you can do it. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to click on the sites. That's on the left side panel of your dashboard. That would open the Wix editor. Now, just select the element you want to copy. This could be a text box, an image, a button, and anything here inside the interface. For example, this one. Right click. You see there's going to be an option that says copy or duplicate. Copy that, which it says Control+C, and that's going to be for Windows. If you're using a Mac, you might want to press Command+C or CMD+C. Copy that and paste it by pressing Control+V. See that? You have now two options. You see? Again, Control+C and Control+V to paste it. So basically, that's how you can copy and paste here on the Wix editor. Now, if you want to copy and paste multiple elements, I'm going to undo that right now. I'm going to delete this one for now. And if you want to copy multiple items, all I have to do is hover your mouse so that you can select all of them. Control+C plus copying and then Control+V. Did you see that? You have copied multiple elements here inside your Wix editor. Because doing so, now if you want to copy the entire content of your website and kind of pasting it to a different section, all I have to do is go to the dashboard. This will load your site's dashboard wherein you can control the website or the site actions. There's going to be a 3-dot icons on the upper right corner. You see that? Right click on it, and if you wanted to duplicate the site by copying all the content and not exactly pasting it, you can do that as well. Alright, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.